We're with David Shapiro. David has agreed to answer some online questions. He is a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California. With that said, David, let's go into the first question, or the question that was posted. The question is if I get in trouble with the police, how do I find a good criminal lawyer?
Well, there's many ways you can find a good criminal lawyer. Particularly here in San Diego, I think the first step is to ask around. You'd be surprised how many people that you know, even though they might not be willing to tell you unless you ask, have been through the legal system in one capacity or the other, whether as a defendant, a witness, even a juror, or know someone who is employed by the courts who sees criminal defense attorneys come in, day out. So word of mouth is usually a good thing, because someone wouldn't vouch for an attorney if they did not have a positive experience with that attorney in one capacity or the other in the past. Assuming you don't fall into that category of people who are referred a criminal defense attorney, the next thing you want to do probably is do some research online, compare and contrast that attorney's credentials, look at things like their website, look at things like the reviews that they have online, look at things like their location, where they are within the county of San Diego, how much of their practice is devoted to criminal defense, how much of their practice is in the courthouse where your case will be heard, and what type of experience they have, not just in years, but in volume and the types of cases they've handled. Many times attorneys could have 40 years of experience, but if not all 40 years of those experience were working within criminal defense or criminal law, it really doesn't mean anything. If you have an attorney that has 15 years of experience but isn't in court every day, like someone who might be practicing for 7, 8, 9 years, you're better off going with the attorney who has less experience in years, but more experience in volume and types of cases. You also probably want to get a good feel for that attorney, even if you don't necessarily meet with them directly, whether you speak to them on the phone or you're interacting with their staff, the type of people and the quality of people that they're employing, at least part-time or full-time, and how their office is and how they're perceived by colleagues. So, get a good feel for that person, get a good feel for their philosophy on criminal defense, what they're trying to accomplish, and don't always necessarily hire the most expensive attorney. Don't always necessarily think that the cheapest attorney is the way to go. You want to find a good combination between experience, between a price that you could afford, and probably most importantly, reputation within the community.
All right. Well, David, thank you very much. Hope this helps answer the questions you posted. Also, David's agreed to answer any other questions directly if you want to post them in the bottom of the comment section. Thank you, David.
Sounds good. My pleasure. Thank you.